insane. Look at that thick, look how thick that ice is. Crazy. We are in southeast Tennessee right now. Still coming down with, I mean, look at these stairs. That is it all the way down. These are very slippery. This is very slippery as well. I'll take one of these little ice cubes off here. Look at that. But there's been trees falling left and right down here, southeast Tennessee. You got to be very careful on these stairs. See, look at that. Branch falls. It's just because the branches are so very brittle that they just fall. I mean, we got branches falling left and right here. There's ice falling from the trees this second, but very crazy. Let me see if I can point up there. Look at that. The ice is just falling right now as we speak. But we're out here doing it all. We're documenting the storm. We're getting a good documentation of it. Yep. We're getting hit. Look at this debris over here. Gotta watch our heads because there's no telling what can fall on us. Because there's ice everywhere. I mean, look at this debris from the branches. Just this last night. This is our whole entire yard. They're talking about trees exploding. Trees are definitely exploding with ice this morning here in Tennessee. Look at that. I mean, the whole yard is covered. Our literal yard is filled with these trees. If you go watch the walk around yesterday, I mean, look at that. You can see that it just cracked on. But there's stuff falling. Like, pot fell. This is the biggest limb. Look at the ice coat on this. You can see the ice coat right now. That is insane. But this is just the start of this, because it's still going. If you can even hear me right now, I mean, this tree, this branch, literally, I gotta watch myself. Trees, the wind's blowing too, so I mean, look at this fence, guys. Like, I just tore off the fence like that. I mean, there's stuff on. I mean, the fence has been, this tree's down. It is very, very icy. Very dangerous out here. I think the current temp is around 30 degrees. But we got branches falling. We got a lot of, no, some branch fell over there. Big branch fell over there. See, this is the problem with these big ice storms, is that branches can fall and they will fall on your house if you live in a area with a lot of trees. Some of them, this is there's a dead tree up there. Those limbs are definitely, can break at any moment here, but you see this thick layer on this tree here. That is crazy. I don't think Tennessee's seen something like this in a while, but I mean, this whole fence is falling. See that? And then that branch fell off that tree there. Crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. This is just the first update we have as well. But I mean, this is what ice can do to fences and stuff like that. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, there's ice falling on me right now. Gotta watch myself. This wind is getting pretty out of hand. But I mean, branches are falling. If we walk around the dirt bike track, it is the same, but it's really up here is where all the debris is for this storm. Yeah, that's what you got to be careful of, these trees coming down. Good Lord, yes sir. That's what we wanted, dude. I almost had a tree fall on me. Wow. That is what we gotta watch out for back here. What's falling from the trees right now is this thick ice that's falling from the trees. I doubt I'm gonna get this gate open. Oh yeah, look at this. Insane. It's crazy. All this. I know, this gate over here. It's frozen shut. Well guys, that's update number 1 here in southeast Tennessee. Ice is still falling from the trees, as you can see, branches are falling from the trees, but we're gonna get inside. We're gonna update you later on this situation here. Oh, tree fell over there. Wow, guys. Alright, we'll update you when the next kind of big event happens here in Tennessee, but this is a pretty big one in my opinion. This is the aftermath, somewhat of a pretty gnarly storm, very slippery. It's still raining, as you can hear up on the look at here. Unbelievable. People are running generators. It's not a bad idea. Power's been out since about 6 a.m. It's currently 3 o'clock. And there's ice, there's just regular rain coming down if I'm not mistaken. So, I mean, look at this. If this will tell you something. I mean, it's stuck in the ground here. And then this ice right here, absolutely frozen. It's like a lake out here, but it's, I'd honestly love to see the pond. But, I mean, look at this guy here. Look at him. Stuck in the ground. We're gonna have firewood for days, I'll tell you that. We're gonna have some firewood. All these pine needles on the ground. Go over here. I mean, this took out our daggum chair here. And look at that. Chairs right there. And all these limbs over here. Now it's really, I think it's coming down with some ice here. Not too sure though. As you can see over here though, look at this. Pretty radical. As you can see over here, a little tree fell, or a big limb. Fence is completely down. That's about what we're looking at, the thickness right now. But I mean, trees are down everywhere here in wet southeast Tennessee. It's crazy, crazy work. Very slippery. A lot of things going down. That is the ice thickness, the exact ice thickness. Insane. Ice is falling down currently. is actually pretty cool here.